Start by opening the File menu to access loan file options. Select New Loan to begin a fresh loan application. Enter the borrower's first name and last name. Then click Save to securely record the applicant's details. Once saved, you can edit and complete the full loan file. Update the borrower's marital status to ensure profile accuracy. Open the Former Address tab. To add the borrower's former address details, click here. Fill in the details and save the record. Click Mailing Address to add the borrower's mailing address. Enter the applicant's current housing expenses. Switch to the Info tab to review personal information. Go to the Income tab to add or edit employment and income details. Easily add a new employment or income entry for your applicant here. Complete all required fields. And check the box if the employment is related to the transaction for compliance. Click Save to store employment and income details. Use the dollar icon to review or edit income linked to the employment. Add a new income type to capture all applicant earnings. Select the income type. Enter the monthly income. And click Save to confirm. Use income from other sources to add additional borrower income. Click Add Income. Fill in the details and click Save. Move to the Assets section to add the borrower's financial accounts. Click Add. Enter all asset details and click Save. Use other assets to add any additional assets and save the information. Next, open Liabilities to enter the borrower's debts and obligations. Click Add. Fill in all liability details. And click Save. Click Request Credit Report to pull the borrower's credit and auto-populate liabilities. Click the plus icon. Add a credit agency, enter your login credentials, and save them. Once the agency is added successfully, close the window and proceed with the credit request. Select the credit agency. Choose the report type. Verify borrower information including SSN and date of birth and click Submit. Click Other Liabilities to add or review any debts not pulled from the credit report. If you need to add additional liabilities, click the Add icon to enter them manually. Fill the details and then click Save. Move to the REO section to add the borrower's property details, including value, taxes, and rental income. Click Add icon. Before filling in the property information, first check this box. Pull all the property details, review the information, and click Save to add it to the file. Next, open the Disclosure section. Use the About This Property tab to enter property-specific disclosure details. Next, move to Military. For military service, if the borrower has served in the military, select Yes. Click Demographic Information. Complete demographic information and click Save to finish disclosures.